720, it's more uncomfortable.
More comfortable this? Why?
Yeah, because the 720, this one's frameless. The 720 has a frame, and it's super tight, and the doors go up just as bad. If not, you have to like sit on the little hook thing.
Oh, down there?
And the seals.
Yeah.
Cabin. Straight cab. Alright. Stuck to the windshield, but we don't want to stick it to the glass, obviously. I want to put it on as rear view, just barely stuck. Alright, bet.
Pretty easy windshield, Robert?
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah? What do you think?
It wasn't a difficult shrink. The install was okay. It's just a really long reach, and your towel and rope get lost down there because there's so much room between the glass and dash. So if it wasn't so sloppy and moving around everywhere, it really wouldn't have been that bad.
What does prepping mean? Like slap on the...
How are you?
Your jams?
Yeah, man. I get tired of listening to like rock and like.
This is a good song, dude.
Where's my phone?
What's up next? Got a couple windshields outside.
Yeah, those are two outside. That lightning still gets some windshield.
No, Eddie, Chewy got the windshield on the lightning.
Oh, the windshield's not okay.
Yes, sir. Cool. Speed of sound.
You gonna be top dropping, head popping, guns popping. Oh no, you can bottom load that. Now that's how you tint a McLaren.
Just here in my super trick spot.
Reaching.
We're just hanging out. Not really.
Imagine trying to sit back there.
I can't. I genuinely can't imagine. This is the seats all the way forward, reclined all the way up. I mean, it's hitting the headliner at the front because it's so small. So.
Kumbaya.
Probably.
Magic, son. Like magic. Whew, man, it is hot out there. I just put $157 in gas in this thing. What's the world coming to? That's crazy.
So what's one tip that has helped your business be successful?
Oh, that's a great question. I would say integrity, not burning bridges. Everything's about relationships. So if you're burning bridges
and you don't have integrity, that means you're being dishonest. And to build a business or to be successful or to have trust from anybody, like your wife or your employees or your coworkers or your friends, you can't burn bridges. You got to be honest. So you want to think about relationships long term. Like for me, I've been in business 20 years now, and I've got people calling me from 15, 20 years ago still today, because I never burnt that bridge. We built that trust. They'll only use me. And that's like super important. But in addition, if you can find people like that are honest and trustworthy, you're going to always call them. You'll do anything for them. So that's probably one of the most important business tips and life tips in general, because if you're not trustworthy, nobody's going to trust you, right? So I think that's probably one of the best ones that I could give you right now. In addition, we're going to be doing this every week. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Send me a message. I want to know what questions you have for me, and I'll be answering them every week for you guys. So that's it for this week. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time.